Alright everybody, this is Mark with 757 Auto Events. We're here doing our tally on the Sounds of the Season 2017. I want to recognize our event sponsors right off the bat. Without these guys, we couldn't have pulled this event off. American Do-It-Yourself Garage, this guy's Decals, Rent-A-Lift, Venomous Works, Soundwave Customs, Delta's Photography, 757 Auto Events, Pep Boys on Military Highway, East Coast Family. Thanks to all of you all for supporting the event by being major event sponsors, and this is all benefiting the Children's Hospital of the King's Daughters. So look at what you've done. Do a quick little pan around here. We've got them all organized, pulled out, and sorted. There we go. One more little demo for you here. Check out this little guy. There you go. He's in the spirit. Again, thank you to Soundwave Customs for being a donation box sponsor, American Do-It-Yourself Garage, East Coast Family, Pep Boys Military Highway, and Rent-A-Lift in Norfolk. They were all event sponsors, and they also had boxes at their physical locations to collect toys. There we go. Did a good job, guys. We had a successful event also. The weather was cool, but we were able to get things moving and grooving. One more there. Alright, we got a couple of baby toys here. Lots of little crafts and whatnot. Some book bags, some Play-Doh, crayons. This is our girls section here. Got some Wonder Woman swords. Got some Powerpuff Girls, Monster High, some dolls. More dolls down there. Going to our arts and crafts. Got some fidget spinners, memory match games, a couple of board games here. Some puzzles, Rubik's Cube, Hungry Hippo, some card games, and some puzzles. Back there in the back is an air hockey table, so that's pretty cool. Got our stuffed animals over here, all snug and cozy. Got our snowman buddy there. And of course, we got plenty of cars. Lots of Hot Wheels sets, cars, action figures. Got a tractor here. Check this out. There we go. We're ready to do some work there. RC cars. Got the Fast and the Furious here. Let's see what you got. Oh yeah. And for the base heads out there. Yeah. Alright. Some kites, some kid toys here. Robots, some action figures. See what Spider-Man will do.
Looking for bad guys. You seen any?
Uh-huh. We also got Iron Man here. Very cool. Monster Jam Play-Doh. Got this huge dump truck. Hot Wheels Do-It-Yourself. Tear these things apart, put them back together. More Legos. And we got our toys here for sporting and some music. So anyhow, that's the wrap up on the 2017 Holiday Toy Drive. I want to say thank you to everybody involved. I want to say thank you to Tim Henson for supporting the base-off, and then also to Sam for being our registration lady. We appreciate you guys coming out. This is our 6th time putting this all together. We look forward to next year. All these toys will be dropped off to the Children's Hospital of the King's Daughters this week. And then also we still have some cash donations where we still have to go out and do some shopping. So we got about $150 worth of toys that we're still going to purchase before we drop off. So anyways, on behalf of myself and everybody involved, including Rudolph, there we go. Thank you to all of our sponsors and everybody who supported the event through donations, through cash, or through participating in the physical event on Saturday, December the 10th, 2017. This is Mark Evans signing off. Thank you guys again. We'll see y'all next year.